What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I am going to review this IMICE AK800 backlit keyboard. I got this keyboard from Banggood.com. Banggood sent me this keyboard and asked me to review this keyboard. The price of this keyboard is $30 US. So guys, today in this video I am going to review this keyboard and let you know does this keyboard really worth $30 US or not. So further ado, let's start the video. So guys, here is the IMICE AK800 keyboard box. All the key features of this keyboard are mentioned to the back side of this box. This keyboard has 104 round shape keys with cool RGB color backlit and some multimedia shortcuts key. Okay, now let's quickly unbox the keyboard. Into the box, you will only get the keyboard itself. There are no user manual or any types of paper into this keyboard box. I like the design and the outlook of this keyboard. It has a premium look. I have nothing to say about its outlook. Most of the keyboard comes with square shape key, but this keyboard comes with rounded shape key. And I really like the design. But there is an issue about its build quality. I am not satisfied with it. The keyboard built with very low and cheap quality plastic. And you can easily bend it. You don't need to put extra force to do it. I must say the build quality is not gonna satisfy you in this price range. But on the other hand, for this reason, it's very lightweight, and if you are not going to use it roughly, then it will be a good choice. The keyboard comes with USB 2.0. When I connect the keyboard, I thought that it will power up the backlit, but it does not. To enable the backlit, you need to press this scroll lock key. There are 3 color backlit: red, green and blue, and those are not changeable. Whenever I see the picture of this keyboard online, I thought it will have changeable RGB effect, but I'm wrong. Those color is static. Above the arrow key, you will see the branding of the keyboard company. And the arrow key icon give you gaming type feel by look. This keyboard also gonna give you mechanical keyboard feel, but this is not a mechanical keyboard. To the top of the right hand side, you will get 3 basic LED indicator. And backside of this keyboard, you will get 2 plastic legs to adjust the keyboard on table. Now let's talk about does it really worth buying in $25 US. If I look on the outlook and design, then it's okay. But if I think about the build quality, then it does not worth buying in $25 US. There are many keyboard I review in my channel, from 5 to 100 USD price range. If you watch that videos, then you will get understand that you can easily get this type of static backlit keyboard only in 5 to 10 US. But the design of those keyboard will not be look like this keyboard. You will find all of the keyboard review link and buy link in the description. If you want to buy any of this keyboard, then I will suggest you watch all of this keyboard review, then decide which keyboard you should buy. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with a friend. And guys, if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I am Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I am signing out.